This classically designed coffee maker is accented with stainless steel for a look that is sure to enhance your countertop. The 12-cup carafe features an ergonomic handle, dripless pour spout, and knuckle guard for comfortable pouring. Fully automatic. This coffee make has 24-hour programmability, adjustable auto-shutoff from 0 to 4 hours, self-clean, and 1 to 4 cup setting for those times when you don't need a full pot of coffee. The Brew Pause feature lets you pour a cup before brewing is completed, while the permanent gold tone coffee filter and charcoal water filter ensure fresh, delicious tasting coffee. Refer to the instruction manual before use. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Fully automatic coffee maker with 24-hour programmability and adjustable auto shutoff from 0 to 4 hours. Number 2. 12-cup carafe with ergonomic handle, dripless spout, and knuckle guard. Number 3. 1 to 4 cup setting, Brew Pause feature, self-clean, and 60-second reset. Number 4. Includes charcoal water filter, permanent gold tone filter, measuring scoop, and instruction book. Number 5. Product built to North American electrical standards. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.